Hi everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. My name is Val and I make unboxing videos here on YouTube. So last week you saw me unbox the Pokemon lunchbox. This week we are unboxing the Scarlet 151 Elite Trainer box and the Scarlet 151 binder collection. So I asked y'all if you could come up with a name for me, and I'm still needing name ideas for this little Pokemon series, which I'm thinking hashtag TCG Thursdays, but I'll let y'all figure that out, or, leave your opinions down in the comment box. For now, let's go ahead and get into unboxing this. So we're actually going to start with the binder collection. I feel like the Elite Trainer box will be the part 2 of this video, or not part 2 because it's coming out in the same video, but I think you'll get what I mean. Okay, so we're going to start with the binder collection. So the binder collection comes with 4 booster packs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll go ahead and open those 4 booster packs. And I apologize about my doggy in the background and my kitties in the background. They're my babies and they like to be in the background, and I like them being in the background. See that one over there? That cutie patootie? Yep, my little babies. Okay, so this is the binder. It's got 9 pockets. I actually really like it. I think it's a really unique binder, and I think I'm excited to put stuff in here. So let's take out that tissue paper. And we'll go ahead and unbox it, or not unbox, we'll go ahead and check to see what's in there. So we'll start with this one. Oops. Here is the code card. Okay, we're gonna start with our energy card. Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee. I love Eevee. She's one of my favorite Pokemons. Grimer, Rhydon, Trainer Rigid Band, Nidorino, Reverse Farfetch'd, Reverse Dratini, and then Hollow Moltres. So no pulls in that pack. Okay, let's try the next pack. Code card. Got our energy. Growlithe. I actually like Growlithe too, so I'm gonna pocket him. Geodude, Jigglypuff. Got a pocket Jigglypuff. Staryu, Kingler, energy sticker, Rhydon, reverse Pidgey, reverse Rhydon, and a hollow Marowak. Okay, we still got 2 more chances in this binder collection. Let's hope it gives us something. Code card. Ooh, holographic energy. Okay, we will take that and we'll pocket that one. Doduo, Tentacool, Frittata, Squirtle, love Squirtle, gotta pocket him. Here, I'll show y'all. Rhydon, Rigid Band Trainer, Nidorino, Jolteon, okay, reverse Jolteon, we'll pocket Jolteon, Bellsprout, and then a hollow Gyarados. Okay, we still got 1 more. See if we can get like a full art or something from this, from the binder collection. Got 1 more chance. Okay, so we've got our code card. Hollow Energy, gonna go ahead and pocket that one too. Kakuna, Poliwag, Ponyta, I love Ponyta, gotta pocket her. Pikachu, gotta pocket Pikachu, we love Pikachu here. Haunter, Golduck, Pinsir, reverse Zubat, reverse Tentacruel, and a hollow Amistar. So no full art in this binder collection. That's okay. Let's go ahead and see what the Elite Trainer box has in store for us. Maybe it's got something better. So here is our Elite Trainer box. It just comes with 9 booster packs, sleeves, tokens, dice, player guide, energies, and 1 full art foil promo card, which is Snorlax, 65 card sleeves, 45 Pokemon TCG energy cards, a player's guide to the Scarlet and Violet 151 expansion, 6 damage counter dice, 1 competition legal coin flip die, 2 plastic condition markers, a collector's box to hold everything with 4 dividers to keep it organized, a code card for Pokemon training for trading game live. So let's go ahead and open this. We've got our player's guide and the box. It's such a pretty box. I love it. Okay. So here are dividers to keep everything organized. 4 dividers. Here are our energy cards. I'm not going to open those. Here's our Snorlax. I'll have to sleeve him. Here are our sleeves. Code card if anyone's interested. Our dice. Our tokens. And last but not least, our booster pack. So let's go ahead and start with this one from the very back. Code card. Got energy, Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, Matchup, Leftovers Trainer, Persian, Daisy's Help Trainer, Farfetch'd Reverse, Grammar Reversed, and Hollow Articuno. Next one. Code card. Energy. Okay, I saw what was next, and I think it's the same thing. Squirtle, love Squirtle. Gonna have to pocket that. Lickitung, Venonat, Pidgey, Cycling Road, Skyther, Charmeleon. That's actually a really cool art. Reverse Raichu. Oh, we got something. Reverse Raichu. I'm actually gonna pocket that too because we like Raichu. And we got a full art. Okay, we got a full art in Nidoking. Okay, and then we also got another Hollow Articuno, which we just got the last booster pack. But we got a Nidoking full art. So definitely gonna sleeve that. Okay, what's next? We've got our code card. Okay, Energy, Cubone, Vulpix, I actually like Vulpix. Okay, Magnemite, Caterpie, Skyther, another Charmeleon, Parasect, reverse Hitmonchan, and we got something good, okay. Reverse Graveler, and we got something good, Ooh, it's a Alakazam Full Art. Let's go, Alakazam Full Art. Alakazam Full Art, woohoo! Gonna sleeve that one. Okay, now let's open the next one. So we've got 2 so far from this booster box. Code card, if anyone's interested. Okay, Energy, Bulbasaur, Dratini, Growlithe, Geodude, Skyther, another Charmeleon, we've gotten 3 Charmeleons, Parasect, reverse Bulbasaur, reverse Pidgeotto, and a holographic Electrode. Okay, next one. We've got our code card. Energy, Metapod, Ponyta, Poliwag, another Pikachu, Parasect, Giovanni's Charisma, Cloyster, Abra, reverse, Clefable reverse, and I think we got something good. Oh, this is really cool. I don't know. I don't think this is a full art, but it might be. It's a Jynx EX. I'm excited for this one. Gonna sleeve that one. Actually looks really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, next. So we've gotten 3 so far. Code card. Got lots of cleaning to do after this video. Oh. Energy, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Spearow, Cloyster, Giovanni's Charisma, Rhydon, reverse Executor, reverse Bellsprout, and a hollow Marowak. So nothing really that one. Y'all, it is a Friday at 6:30 p.m. and I've got like 3 more videos to record. Here is the code card. And my shoulders hurt, so wonderful. I've got 3 more videos to record. Okay. Ooh, holographic energy. Gonna keep that one. Farfetch'd, Shelder, Helix Fossil, Slowpoke, Trainer Grabber, Grabber Trainer, whatever you want to say, Kingler, another Energy Sticker Trainer, reverse Zubat, reverse Zidorina, and a hollow Vaporeon. Gonna keep this just because it's a Vaporeon and I like Eevee. So yeah. Okay. We've got 2 more, everyone, and then we are going to end this video on a good note. Hopefully the last one is a good pull. Here's the code card if anyone's interested. Energy, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Oddish, Mankey, Rigid Band, Nidorino, Executor, reverse Chansey, reverse Lickitung. Oh, and a Jolteon. I think I got a Jolteon holo. Didn't I get a Jolteon holo? Do you remember? Yep, I got a Jolteon holo already. So I have got 2 Jolteon holos now. Okay, last one. This last one. Good note. And we'll have 4 pulls. 4 out of 5 of the booster packs will be pulled. Question mark, question mark. Can we do this? Okay, let's see. Code card if anyone's interested. Okay, we've got our Energy, Magmar, Horsey, Abra, Diglett, Rhydon, Executor, Frigid Band, Reverse Vulpix, Reverse Tentacruel, and a Holo Elmastar. Unfortunately, we didn't get any good pulls that one, so we got 4 pulls though. We got 4. No, actually we got 3. We got 3 good pulls. So here are 3 good pulls. Excited for those ones. So 3 out of the 9 packs had good pulls. If y'all enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are excited to see more TCG Thursdays, I think that's what I might call it. TCG Thursdays kind of sounds cool. Then subscribe down below and we can open more Pokemon cards together. Also, comment down below what cards, what's your favorite Pokemon? I'm actually curious. All right, y'all, have a good rest of your day. Bye.